Hello and welcome to my first Blender video where I will attempt to demonstrate the use of a Python socket to transfer data from a servo encoder. This is a servo controller. I have two servos up here that send real-time their position through an encoder which knows the shaft location through quadrature type binary logic, I guess. And we'll send that real time to update a model here that I have in Blender. Now this is all wireless. This the laptop that you see up here is on the Wi-Fi network. This is all on Wi-Fi as well, and this just sends a stream of UDP packets out to this port number, or to a receiving port number and IP. So over here in the Blender game engine, I have some game logic, which this is an initialization part of the script, and then after this, only these lines are iterated. So it's mainly this line right here that we're looking at. This is where the data is received and then is stored in a global variable here in the game logic. And then this is all run in the background. There's really nothing here in the scene that you can see. This is just constantly looping in the background. Now over here is a second script. If you look at these empties, they are linked via an always sensor to a Python script. And this script, what it does is, after the initialization of the first script that I showed you, you see over here at the last line, once that's iterated, this is created. So then this can start. That just keeps a lot of errors from occurring. So basically what this is the orientation of the empty, which this script is connected to. The orientation will change as the global variable here, as this global variable is updated. So if you look here, this empty is parented to the to the object that I want to rotate. So that is also true with this one. So as this global variable is updated from the other script, the orientation is calculated through math utilities, creates a matrix, rotation matrix for the z-axis, and rotates it according to the float data that's coming in here from UDP. Now, in order for this to run, I'm going to update this port number, so it's just something random like 8778, and if I take this here and I'll show you, this is the server script. Let me focus. Okay, so let me update that port number as well, so 8778. And you can see here, this is the servo motor controller. Currently 2 axes, should be able to handle up to about 6 or 8 maybe, and that's all just connected there. So this script, real quickly, it establishes some type of synchronization over a serial USB to serial port, which is here between those two, and concatenates it all here. Sorry, right there, and sends it out through UDP. So basically, if I were to run this script, let me move these guys into view so you can see. All right. Go ahead and run the game. And then start the server. Okay, so if everything went well, what we should see, as I rotate the shaft, it is updated in the model, real time. And it's relatively quick. The updating's pretty quick. Feels like, a few milliseconds. It's not quite 0.1, I don't know. But it's pretty good. Still very simple. But I hope this may help somebody to do something similar in the future. And if you have any questions, I'm always available and love to assist. So, okay, well, I hope you enjoyed.